Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add ClickUp Google Calendar event. So first thing that you will do is go to your ClickUp and just simply select the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go for the settings. From here, guys, just simply go ahead and go for the app center over here. And after that, just simply go for Google Calendar over here on the featured tab, as you can see over here. Now just simply select Google Calendar and just simply click on this one, connect. And after that, a pop-up window will show up. And from there, just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply select continue. And from here, just simply click on this one. And just simply scroll down and click on continue. And from here, you should be able to connect a ClickUp into the Google Calendar. As you can see, it will sync between a Google Calendar and ClickUp. And after that, you should be able to add it. And there you go. See ya.